Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Matic Network Polygon daily update. I have so many months to do an update for this altcoin. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, easy profits, 200 altcoins to trade, personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start with Matic. So Matic against USDT. 0.589. We are up to the target right now today actually, and we want to see the future of the altcoin. What are we going to do? Are we going to go all the way up higher, or are we going to stay right here? Eventually, what I think about Matic is that we are going to have another nice pumpy week. What I mean by that is that if we see the weekly frame, it is the first time we had a convincing bullish weekly. Okay, plus 45%, and we had, it seems like we could say that we are having a bullish engulfing candlestick, although with the candlestick patterns, I'm a little bit cautious, and you should be as well, because what happens is they do not always follow strictly the targets. When you see a bullish engulfing, it is not necessary that we are going to see an uptrend in the next coming days, weeks, or months, depending on which time frame you are. Okay, so right now for Matic against USDT, next week, this week actually, will be bullish for me personally. How I'm seeing Matic right now? I'm seeing that despite the fact that we had a bearish candlestick, maybe at the start of this week we could be a little bit bearish, but after we will be bullish, or we are bullish from now. What I mean by that is that possibly the price action will be something like this, or it will be something like this, and then we go upwards. Either way, the direction will be the same. Right now for Matic against Bitcoin chart, look at that on Matic against Bitcoin chart. If we go to the lower time frames and we are going to see some important targets, we have eventually a very huge oversold situation. I believe that Matic against Bitcoin chart will be very good, and it will go all the way up higher. And from here, what we having as a major target is this one right there, the 0.402880. If we cannot manage to close above this line, then we are not having a safe entry. However, if we can manage to close above in the 4-hour frame, then we are going all the way up to the 0.403016. Right? And eventually we could climb up all the way up there. Let's go to Matic against USDT chart, and we can see on the lower time frames we will be seeing about important, very important targets right here. I believe that Matic can easily go all the way up higher and possibly retest this line right here, the 0.614 to 0.62. Okay, around there, around this area, it is the most important resistance level. I would say that this whole rectangle is one of the most important resistance levels. Okay, 0.614, 0.615, around there at 0.618, sorry, we have a huge resistance level going on. I think that Matic is going to retest this area, and then it will probably go all the way up to the 0.65 as well. So for Matic, for me personally, this is what it is going to happen, and this is what Matic against USDT will be achieving by the end of the week, or maybe even earlier. So we are talking about the short term. So I believe next days will be bullish for Matic. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, and of course, see you soon with many other videos. Bye.